Assalamualaikum. So I am trying this new project called Desktop Nameplate with Ballpen Holder. Subhanallah, that's a mouthful. It is made of Brigid Central Board. Why am I speaking English anyway? Well, it's not like I'm good at Tagalog as well, so please bear with me. Bear with me as I speak Marana, so magmarana ako ba dun? Anyway, I printed it back to back. No, it's not back to back actually. Kasi the size should be 7 by 4 inches. Laminate na natin. As usual. After folding na top coat, ilagay na natin sa center board. Bakit ako nagtatagalog? Kanina sabi ko maranaw ako. So, maranaw ako. Na, hindi ko na alam kung anong klaseng voice over to. Kasi wala akong script. So, I probably should write script next time. Tagal natin makikis na ink kasi medyo madugo itong project na to. And one thing I hate about this particular project is the glue. Yung RT glue. Kasi mainit siya sa kamay. So ilang beses siya dumikit sa kamay ko. Hindi lang nakita sa video because naka-timelapse siya pero masakit siya sa kamay. Actually, one of the reasons why I stopped uploading videos kasi medyo nakatamaran kong mag-video one at the same time nakatamaran ko yung pag-voice over. I don't know. Gusto ko bumalik yung motivation pero hindi na siya bumabalik kaya I resorted to this na lang. And I must say, this has become my comfort zone. Medyo di ako comfortable man to without showing my face on the camera. And so, yan. And at the same time, kumikita ako. I must admit, I am terrible at doing this over now. Kasi, so dun siya kaya nakaka mag-video-video na para nakakalimutan kung din mabuso ko sa front camera. Kaya puro kami na lang yung nakikita. Anyway, although medyo madugo tong project na to, na-enjoy ko siya. Ayan, no, diba? Malaki siya kaya pwedeng lagyan ng glasses, cellphone, and ballpen. Diba? So kung trip niyo mag-order, kung trip niyo lang naman, i-pay mo ako niyo. Yun lang, bye. Thank you.